Hello everyone, and welcome to Part 2, Connecting JavaScript. We learned quite a bit in the last lecture, so let's take a little bit of a break and just show you how you can connect a JavaScript file, which is a .js extension file, to an HTML file. We're going to open up Atom and the browser for this, so let's hop over to them now. Okay, so here I have Atom Text Editor open, and in the Atom Text Editor I have two files, an empty HTML file called example.html and a file called myscript.js, which is also empty at this time. So what I will begin doing is typing out HTML just so we get some basic HTML here. I'm going to put heading 1 and say something like, welcome to your bank. Let's save that and check that it's connected to our browser by refreshing the page, and here we see welcome to your bank. Now let's show you how you can actually connect a JavaScript file to your HTML file. And this works with the script tag. So up here, we can type script, and inside of the script tag, the open tag, I'm going to write src for source, and then actually input the source of my script. And the source for my script is just myscript.js. And it goes in quotes, and then we have a closing tag, so it looks like this. And you can actually use Atom to automate this. So if I begin to type script here and I hit enter, you'll actually get this auto pop up here. You don't have to really worry about type at this point in time. So you could just use that as well for the autocomplete. But basically what we're looking for here is just a script tag where the first open script tag has the src or the source and pointing to your .js file. And right now these are both in the same directory, so all I have to do is provide the name. Now let's actually add some stuff to the .js file so we can clarify and check that it's actually working. So the very first thing I'm going to do here is in this JavaScript file, I'll put an alert that says, welcome to your bank. And I will save that. And let's refresh this page, and we should now, upon refreshing, see an alert that says, this page says, welcome to your bank. And we'll hit OK. And note over here in the HTML that I'm calling my script before I'm calling anything else in the body. So the reason that this appeared blank for a second is because I was calling my script before I called anything in my body. And we'll discuss later on what script placement and where it should go has an effect on your HTML. But let's continue on with this JavaScript file. We'll continue on with our bank example. I'm going to create a variable called deposit. And that's going to be a prompt saying, how much would you like to deposit today? Question mark. And then let's say alert, you've deposited, and then we're going to concatenate the actual deposit amount. And then I'm also going to do a console log. So I will say console.log, and we'll put something like, you are a cool person. So let's save that, refresh our page to reload this JavaScript. And now it says, welcome to your bank. We hit OK. And then it says, how much would you like to deposit today? Let's put in 100, click OK. We get an alert, it says, you've deposited 100. Now we also had that console log. So I can check by right-clicking, saying inspect, and here on the console, I see you are a cool person. Great. So that's really all there is as far as connecting a JavaScript file to an HTML file. Again, the main thing I want you to get out of this is that there's a script tag, and you can connect it to your JavaScript source, and then whatever JavaScript you have here will be uploaded whenever you refresh the page, or when you actually just visit the page for the first time. All right. Thanks everyone, and I will see you at the next lecture.